Mastery Practice Chapter 10. Questions number 1. The table below shows the price per kilogram of 4 types of goods A, B, C, and D in the year 2017 and 2019. Price index in the year 2019 was based on the year 2017 and their weightage respectively. So A, find the value of X, Y, and Z. To solve for questions A, we're going to use the formula of the index number. So we are going to refer to this formula to solve for the questions A. To find X, it will be 1.2 divided by X times 100. It will give us the price index, which is equal to 120. To find the X, it will be 1.2 times 100 divided by 120. The answer of this is 1, and X is the price in the year 2017. Therefore, you must put a unit RM and 2 decimal places. To find the value of Y, when Y divided by 0.8 times 100, this will be equal to 125. To solve for the Y, it will be 125 times 0.8 divided by 100. So the answer is 1, and Y is also the price in the year 2019. Therefore, you must put a unit RM with 2 decimal places. To find the Z, which is the price index, so we're going to use 2.2 divided by 2 times 100. So Z is equal to 110. Questions B. Calculate the composite index of the goods in the year 2019 based on the year 2017. To find the composite index, this will be 110 times 4 plus 125 times 1 plus 100 times 2 plus 120 times 3. Then we're going to divide it with the total weightage. This will be 1125 divided by 10. So the answer of the composite index is 112.5. Questions number 2. The table below shows the price index of two materials, A and B, used in the productions of a type of household decorations. Given the price of material B increased by 22% in the year 2018 from the year 2016. The price of material A in the year 2016 was 5 ringgit, and the year 2020 is 6.05 ringgit. Finds the value of M and N. So based on the informations in the table here, the N is the price index in the year 2018 based on the year 2016. And from this sentence, the information here is referred to the N. Therefore, when material B increased by 22%, the price index will be more than 100. So to find the value of N, this will be 100 plus the 22, which is equal to 1 to 2. As for M, it is the price index in the year 2020 based on the year 2016. And here we already have the price of the material A in the year 2016 and in the year 2020. So to find for the M, it will be 6.05 divided by 5 times 100, which is equal to 121. Questions number 3. The table below shows the information related to 4 materials A, B, C, and D used in making a toy. The percentage of usage of material B is not shown. The production cost of the toy was Rm 41,650 ringgit in the year 2018. So based on the informations in the table here, this column will be the price index in the year 2018 based on 2015. For material A is reduced by 10%, therefore the price index will be 90, And for B, increase 60%, it will be 160. C, increase 20%, it will be 120. And as for D, increase 40%, the price index will be 140. As for the column percentage usage, this will be referring to the weightage. So the total percentage will be 100. To find the percentage for the material B, we're going to use 100 minus 50 minus 10 and 10. Therefore, the answer will be 30. Questions A. If the cost of material C in the year 2015 was 7 ringgit 60 cents and find the cost in the year 2018. So for material C, we already know that the price index here is equal to the 120. So when you take the cost in the year 2018, divide it with the cost in the year 2015 and multiply it by 100, that will give you the answer of the 120. So to find the cost in the year 2018, it will be P 2018 divided by 7.6 times 100. This will be equal to 120. So P 2018 is equal to 120 times 7.6 divided by 100. Therefore, the answer will be RM 9.12. Questions B. Calculate the corresponding production cost in the year 2015. So we can find the corresponding production cost here using the formula of the index number. So we already know the cost in the year 2018. The index number that we want to use here will be the composite index, as the corresponding productions of the cost here is referred to the toy, which is include all the material. So first we're going to find the composite index in the year 2018 based on 2015. So it will be 90 times 50 plus 160 times 30 plus 120 times 10 plus 140 times 10 over the total weightage, which is 50 plus 30 plus 10 plus 10. So here it will be 11900 divided by 100. So the composite index will be 119. So we're going to take the composite index 119 here to do the calculation for the corresponding cost. By referring to the formula here, so it will be 41650 divided by the corresponding cost in the year 2015 times 100. This will be equal to the 119. To solve for the corresponding price in the year 2015, it will be 41650 times 100 divided by 119. So the corresponding cost will be RM 35,000. Question C. The production cost is expected to increase by 60% from the year 2018 to the year 2020. So calculate the percentage change in the production cost from the year 2015 to the year 2020. The production cost here is referred to the production cost of the toy. So if we know the composite index in the year 2020 based on the year 2015, then we can find the change in the percentage. So from this sentence here, we know that the composite index in the year 2020 based on 2018 is equal to, so increase by 60% is mean 100 plus 60, which is equal to 160. So in question B, we already find the composite index in the year 2018 based on 2015, which is equal to 119. So here we can use the SMILES method to find the composite index in the year 2020 based on 2015. So here will be the 119 and here will be the 160. Refer to this calculations method. The composite index in the year 2020 based on 2015 can be found when we take 119 and multiply it with 160 over 100. The answer of this will be 190.4. As the composite index here is more than 100, it means there will be an increase when compared to the base year. So the percentage change here will be 190.4 minus 100, which is equal to 90.4%. Question number 4. The rubber production in Malaysia is 1.126 million tons in 2005, X million tons in 2010, and 0.722 million tons in 2015. Calculate A. The index number for the rubber productions in the year 2015 based on the year 2005. So here we already have the quantity in the year 2005 and the quantity in the year 2015. So we can calculate the index number using this formula. So this will be 0.722 divided by 1.126 times 100. The answer for the index number here will be 64.12. Questions B. The value of X given that the index number for rubber productions in the year 2010 based on the year 2005 is 83. To get the answer 83, we're going to get the quantity in the year 2010 and divide it with the quantity in the year 2005 and multiply it with 100. This will be equal to the 83. The X here is referred to the quantity in the year 2010. So to find the value of X, it will be X over 1.126 million tons times 100. This is equal to 83. So X is equal to 83 times 1.126 divided by 100. So the answer here will be 0.935 million tons. Question C. The index for the rubber productions in the year 2020 based on the year 2005 if the index for rubber productions in the year 2020 based on 2010 is 105. So from the information in the question C, this is the information that we get. And in questions A, we also have one index number which is in the year 2015 based on 2005. And in question 3, we also have another index number which is 83. This one is in the year 2010 based on 2005. So we can solve the C here using the SMART method, but we just need to take 3 different years. So if you look at the years involved here, it will be 2020, 2010, and also the 2005. So the other index number that I'm going to take will be the index number that also involving these 3 years. So I'm going to take the index number in the questions B, which is the 83. Now we're going to arrange the 3 different years in ascending order. So it will start from the year 2005, followed by 2010 and 2020. Now we can label the informations into the SMART formula here. To find the index number in the year 2020 based on 2005, it will be 83 times 105 over 100. The answer will be 87.15. Questions number 5. The table below shows the price for an item in 2000 and 2015. Questions A. If the rate of price increase from 2015 to 2020 is twice the rate of price increase from 2000 to 2015, determine the price of that item in 2020. So in the table here, we have the price in the year 2000 and 2015. Therefore, first we can find the price index in the year 2015 based on 2000. So this will be 10 divided by 8 times 100, which is equal to 125. Based on the index number here, there will be an increase of 25% from the year 2000 to the year 2015. So from 2015 to 2020, the price increase is twice the rate from 2000 to 2015. This means the price from 2015 to 2020 is increasing by 50%. Therefore, the price index in the year 2020 based on 2015 will equal to 150. So to find the price of the item in the year 2020, we can use this formula here. Therefore, it will be the price in the year 2020 over 10 times 100 is equal to 150. So the price in the year 2020 will equal to 150 times 10 divided by 100, which is equal to Rm 15 ringgit. Questions B. Calculate the price index in the year 2020 based on the year 2000. So in the questions A, we already have the index numbers from in the year 2020 based on 2015, and also the index number in the year 2015 based on 2000. So when you have two price index and you need to find another one, so you can use the SMART method here. So to find the price index in the year 2020 based on 2000, it will be 125 times 150 over 100. The answer is equal to 187.5. Questions number 6. The table below shows the price index and weightage for 4 types of materials in the year 2020 based on the year 2019. Questions A. The composite index for the materials in the year 2020 based on the year 2019 is 108. Determine the value of X. To get the answer of 108, we're going to take the price index of the material PQRS and multiply with its weightage, followed by dividing with the total weightage. So it's going to be 107 times 2 plus 118 times X, which is 118X, plus 94 times 1 plus 105 times 2X. Divide by the total weightage, which is 2 plus X plus 1 plus 2X. So this will be equal to 108. So the answer for 107 times 2 plus the 94 times 1 is equal to 308. Then we're going to plug with the 118x plus the 105 times 2x, which is equal to 328x over 3 plus 3x equal to 108. Next, we're going to move the 3 plus 3x to the right hand side. So it will be 308 plus 328x equal to 108 times 3 plus 3x. Expand this, you're going to get 324 plus 324x. So next, we're going to move the 324x to the left hand side. It will be 328x minus 324x, which is equal to 4x. As you move the 308 to the right hand side, it will be 324 minus 308, which is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 divided by 4, which is equal to 4. Questions B. The price index for material P rises by 20% and the price index for material S dropped by 10% in 2020 until 2021. The price index for other materials do not change. This means determine the composite index for the materials in the year 2021 based on the year 2019. So first, we need to find the price index for each material in the year 2021 based on the year 2019. So we can use the SMILE method to solve for this part. So when we take the price index in the year 2020 based on 2019 and multiply it with the price index in the year 2021 based on 2020 over 100, then we can find the price index in the year 2021 based on the year 2019. So to find for the material B, the price index, it will be 107 times, and its material P rises by 20%, it means it will be 120 over 100. This will be equal to 128.4. And as for material Q and R in this case, as the price index stated in the question, they do not change, then the price index for the material Q will remain as 118, and the price index for material R will remain as 94. As for the price index for the material S, it will be 105 times 90 over 100, as material S dropped by 10%. The answer is 94.5. So now we already have enough information to find the composite index in the year 2021 based on the year 2019. So it will be 128.4 times 2 plus 118 times 4 plus 94 times 1 plus 94.5 times 8 over the total weightage, which is 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8. So this is equal to 1578.8 divided by 15, which is equal to 105.25. Questions number 7. The table below shows the sales index for an encyclopedia in the year 2015 and 2017 with the year 2000 as the base year. Determine the sales index for the encyclopedia in the year 2017 based on the year 2015. So the value 109 here is the index number in the year 2015 based on 2000. And as for this 145, this will be the index number in the year 2017 based on 2000. And the one that we want to find is the index number in the year 2017 based on 2015. So here we have two index number. We want to find another one, and it involves three different years, so we can use the SMILE method to solve for this one. So this will be the information look like in the SMILE method if you fill in it correctly. To solve this, it will be when 109 times the index number in the year 2017 based on 2015 over 100. This will give us the answer of the 145. To solve this, we're going to move the 109 to the right hand side. It will be 145 over 149, and then we'll move the 100 to the right hand side. It will be multiply 100. The answer here will be 133.03. Questions number 8. The table below shows the price index for three cameras. Determine the value of P, Q, and R. So based on the information in the table here, this column, you're going to get the index number in the year 2013 based on 2011. As for this column, this will be the index number in the year 2019 based on 2011. As for the last column here, this will be the index number in the year 2019 based on 2013. So here we can find the value of PQR using the SMILE method. So based on the information that we have using the SMILE method here, the index number in the year 2013 based on 2011, we're going to label this as the A. As for the index number in the year 2019 based on 2011, we're going to label this as the C. And as for the index number in the year 2019 based on 2013, we're going to label this as B. Therefore, to solve for the value of PQR, we're going to refer to this formula here. So first we want to find the value of P. So it's going to be 165 times P over 100. This will give us the answer of 231. Therefore, P is equal to 231 divided by 165 times 100, which is equal to 140. As for Q, it will be Q times 120 over 100. This is equal to 156. So to find the Q, it will be 156 times 100 over 120. The answer will equal to 130. As for R, when 150 times 170 over 100, this will give us the value of R. Therefore, R is equal to 255. Questions number 9. The following shows the number of visitors who visited Pulau Langkawi in 2010 and 2017. A. Determine the number of visitors in the year 2020 if the rate of increase for the number of visitors in 2017 to 2020 is twice the rate of increase from 2010 to 2017. So first we want to find the index in the year 2017 based on 2010. So this is going to be 3.68 divided by 2.45 times 100. The answer will be 150.20. This means the increase in percentage will be 50.20%. As the rate of increase in 2017 to 2020 is twice the rate of increase from 2010 to 2017, this will equal to 50.20% times 2, which is equal to 100.4%. So when you change the rate of increase in percentage to the index number, it will be 100 plus the 100.4, which is 200.4. Now to find the number of visitors in the year 2020, we are going to refer to this formula. So the Q, which is the quantity in the year 2020, divided by the number of visitors in the year 2017, which is 3.68 times 100. This will equal to the 200.4. Therefore, the number of visitors in the year 2020 will equal to 200.4 times 3.68 divided by 100. The answer will equal to 7.37 million. Questions B. Calculate the index for the number of visitors in the year 2020 based on the year 2017. State your interpretations based on the index number obtained. So in questions A, we already find the index number in the year 2020 based on 2017, which is equal to 200.4. So based on the index number here, the number of visitors increased by 100.4% in the year 2020 when compared to the year 2017. So for these questions, my answer here is different from the one in the textbook, as the textbooks calculate the rate of increase using the numbers of visitors, as here I'm using the percentage, just like what I do in the questions number 5. So always consult to your teachers whether which method is going to be the correct one. Questions 11. The table below shows the price and weightage for 3 materials P, Q, and R in the year 2018 based on the year 2016. Given the composite index for material P and Q in the year 2018 based on the year 2016 is 120, whereas the composite index for material P and R is 125. So determine the ratio of X to Y to Z. So first, based on these informations, to get the composite index of 120, so we're going to refer to the informations for the P and Q here. So when 80 times X, which is 80X, plus 130 times Y, which is 130Y, over the total weightage for P and Q, which is X plus Y, this will give us the answer of 120. Next, we're going to move the X plus Y to the right hand side. This will be 120 times X, which is 120X, and 120 times the Y, which is 120Y. So next, I'm going to move this 120Y to the left hand side and this 80X to the right hand side. So 130Y minus 120Y, this will be 10Y. And 120X minus the 80X, you will get 40X. So next, we can simplify this by dividing both sides with number 10. So 10Y divided by 10, you will just get Y, and 40X divided by 10, which is 4X. Now, based on the other informations, the composite for the material P and R is 125. So to find the composite index of 125, we're going to use 80 times X, which is 80X, plus 140 times Z, which is 140Z, over the total weightage of P and R, which is X plus Z. This will be equal to the answer given, which is 125. So next, I'm going to move the X plus Z to the right hand side. This will be 125X plus 125Z. So here I'm going to move the 125Z to the left hand side and the 80X to the right hand side. So when 140Z minus the 125Z, this will equal to 15Z. And 125X minus the 80X, this will be 45X. So I can simplify this by dividing both sides with 15s. So 15Z divided by 15, you will get just 1Z, and 45X divided by 15, this will equal to 3X. Now, to find the ratio of X to Y to Z, we are going to use these two information that we have here. So for the Y equal to 4X, this one I can write it as 4X equal to Y. So to find the ratio, we can write the ratio in the form of fractions. Therefore, I'm going to move the Y to the left hand side. It will be X over Y. And when you move the 4 to the right hand side, it will be 1 over 4. Now, from these fractions, I can write X, the ratio of X to Y is equal to 1 to 4. And now for the information Z equal to 3X, this one I can write it as 3X equal to Z. Next, I'm going to write this in the form of fractions. I'm going to move the Z to the left hand side. So X over Z is equal to, when the 3 moves to the right, it will be 1 over 3. So I can write this in the form of ratio. This will be X to Z equal to 1 to 3. So now we can determine the ratio of X to Y and to the Z. So X to Y is 1 to 4 and X to Z is 1 to 3. So as the ratio of X for both of these informations are the same, which is 1, therefore the ratio of X to Y to Z will be 1 to 4 to 3. Question 11. The price index for a safety helmet in the year 2014 based on the year 2010 was 80, and the price index in the year 2018 based on the year 2014 was 110. So given the price for the safety helmets in the year 2018 was 166 ringgit. So A, calculate the price of the safety helmets in the year 2010 and 2014. So this is the first information that we have, and this is the second information, and this is the third information. So for questions A, I'm going to find the price in the year 2014 first, as you has been given with the price in the year 2018. So first we're going to use these informations. So to get the answer of the 110, we are going to take the price in the year 2018, divide it with the price in the year 2014, and multiply this with 100. This will give us the answer of 110. So we already know that the price in the year 2018 is 166. So it will be 166 over P 2014 times 100 is equal to 110. So to find the price in the year 2014, it will be 166 times 100. Then we're going to divide it with the 110. So the answer will be RM 150.91. So now we already have the price in the year 2014. Now we can proceed to find the price in the year 2010 using this index number. So to find the answer of the 80, we're going to take the price in the year 2014 and divide it with the price in the year 2010 times 100. This will give us the answer of 80. So the price in the year 2014, we're going to replace it with 150.91. So this divide with the price in the year 2010 times 100. This is equal to 80. So to find the price in the year 2010, so this will be 150.91 times 100. Then we're going to divide it with 80. So the answer of this will be RM 188.64. Questions B. Determine the percentage of decrease in price for safety helmets in 2010 compared to its price in 2018. So to find the percentage of decrease, so first we're going to find the price index first. So to find the price index in the year 2018 based on 2010, so we're going to take the price in the year 2018, which is 166, and then we're going to divide it with the price in the year 2010, which is the 188.64, and multiply this with 100. So the answer of this will be 88. To find the percentage of decrease, we're going to use 100 minus the 88, which is equal to 12%. Question 12. The price for service charge in an agency in 2018 was 1 ringgit 50 cents. If the price increased by 15% in 2019, calculate A, the price index for the service charge in the year 2019 with 2018 as the base year. So if based on the answer in the textbooks, there will be an error in the price for the service charge, which is the 1 ringgit 50 cents. It should be RM 150 ringgit. So as the price of the service charge increased by 15% from 2018 to 2019, therefore the price index in the year 2019 based on 2018 will be 100 plus 15, which is equal to 115. Questions B. The price for the service charge in 2020, if the rate of price increase in 2019 to 2020 is the same as the rate of price increase for 2018 to 2019. So this means the price from 2019 to 2020 will also increase by 15%. Therefore, the price index in the year 2020 based on 2019 will also equal to 115. So first we can use these informations to find the service charge in the year 2019. So here, P 2019 over 150 times 100, this is equal to 115. So P 2019 is equal to 115 times 150 divided by 100, which is equal to RM 172.50. Now to find the service charge in the year 2020, we're going to use this index number here as we already have the price in the year 2019. So the service charge in the year 2020 over the 172.5 times 100, this will equal to the 115. So the service charge in the year 2020 will equal to 115 times 172.5 over 100, which is equal to RM 198.38.